Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Yolissa Hair once more. Once you open the packaging, you see their social media and everything. They encourage you to follow them on, you know, their socials and stuff. And then of course I'm seeing the wig, which I'm gonna get into, and we got a bunch of goodies, guys. I got a Yolissa silk like headscarf, always great to get that. I got a edge brush and comb, a pair of lashes, you know, a pair of the HD wig caps. I got 2 pairs of wig cap. This is the other one, the regular one, and then a Yolissa branded elastic band. Lastly, there is a branded Yolissa drawstring bag, which is great for your wig when you're ready to go ahead and store. So that's how that looks. I am loving this. Wow, guys, this is a 5x5 16-inch bob. Oh my god, this is flawless. Actually, it's an HD 5x5 lace closure wig, by the way. You see this perfection, and it is pre-plucked in the front. It looks really natural. It's a HD lace that we're working with. The knots are already bleached, and it is all customized for you already. You really don't need to go in and pluck this any further, bleach this any further, anything. It's like literally done for you already. Love these wigs so much. They're taking over. They make life so easy, and I feel like a lot of you guys love them too. Inside of the cap, there's an added elastic band for more security, as well as 3 combs, and then there's like 2 adjustable straps in the back for more security. So what more could you ask for, right? Now it comes pre-styled, as you see. This is some gorgeous waves, or curls rather, that were added to the wig, and I'm just excited to go ahead and slip this on. Like, you see the sheen? It is so soft. It's so bouncy. The wig is so full, like, and it's 80% in density. So that's really nice. Let's go ahead and slip this on, guys. So that's actually really nice and snug. I take that as something to determine if I can wear the wig like truly glueless right off the bat, based on how the elastic and everything fits my head, like the cap. And if it's snugged enough, you know that okay, you can definitely go ahead and not apply any glue to the wig. But I want the lace to be super melted, so I am gonna do a little bit of spray, still glueless, just a little bit of spray to just get it nice and melted at the hairline here. And I'm just gonna cut away the excess before I even go in. To do that, I like to do a little zigzag motion sometimes. It really makes like the lace front very like undetectable. So really and truly, this technique is not new. It's not. It really does help to make everything look way more seamless. So you can see these areas here that are a little cast. I'm just gonna go over the very edge with some of my ebony spray and get that nice and melted. So you see, that looks so good. That looks perfect. So I'm just gonna start with kind of running my fingers through these curls. Like, you really have no need to even go in and recurl anything. Like, everything just looks so good, and I love the volume of this hair. Like, it's nice and voluminous. Like, what? The only thing I feel like I want to do is add some layers to the front. you see what that layer did? Yeah, that's what layers do, give you that nice fall. So the top now, you know, I have to go in with my wax stick to get it really nice and laid. That is lovely. Lovely. Like, I don't even want to touch the part, and everything just looks so natural and like effortless. I think I really want to keep it that way. You see that? Oh my god, the movement. Yolissa, yeah. I mean, to be honest, I've always gotten really nice quality wigs from Yolissa, so I really cannot complain. Like, from the lace to the construction to the styling of this wig, perfect. It's screaming boss babe. Like, I love this, love this. Let me know what you guys think, because this is also super perfect for summer. Like, pretty waves, pretty curls. It's like at a manageable length. Like, I love this, honestly. Love nothing better than a really nice bob. I told you guys, I'm giving you all the bobs this summer. I'm really and truly giving you all the bobs this summer. Like, it's really pretty. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications and the direct link to this wig. So if you're interested in getting it, please check out the description box, because you know, as usual, everything will be listed down there. Yeah, Yolissa never fail me. Them never fail me. It's too easy. Very much beginner friendly, because everything, most things are already done for you already on this wig. Only thing I did was flat down the top of my head and really just cut off the lace and use a little bit of spray to really melt down the front. That was it. It's still glueless, you know. So it's a go. It's a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Highly. Shedding, very minimal, very minimal. So that's another thing. And the color really works in making everything look even more natural, because you know it's a 1B. You can't go wrong with 1B when you want things to look more natural. So thumbs up. And guys, have you noticed a lot of my installs from the other day, I have not been doing that much like edges or baby hair, because I'm really trying to cater to a lot of you guys as well. I'm trying to share different looks, different styles, different wigs with you guys. And so, you know, yeah, I listen, you know. I love doing my edges, don't get me wrong, and you guys know that. But it's also really nice to do a really nice pullback look sometimes, you know. Nothing wrong with that. So yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you liked it, if you like the wig, go ahead and give me a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned, guys, and keep your post notification bell turned on so you can know whenever I upload over here. Yes, more get ready with me's are definitely coming. The last one, that I did, it didn't work out. It ended up getting published by accident. I didn't like how it ended up looking, and it's just a bunch of, so I scrapped that whole one. So I do owe you a couple get ready with me as well, and other content. So that's coming, so please stay tuned. Please, yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.